Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start managing rewards with American Express, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start managing rewards with American Express, first, ensure you have an American Express account. If you don't have an account, visit the American Express website and sign up. Once you have an account, log in using your email and password. Navigate to the rewards section of your dashboard. Here, you will find an overview of your available rewards points. Take a moment to review the different categories of rewards offered. These may include travel, gift cards, merchandise, and more. Next, familiarize yourself with the earning structure of your specific card. Check for any promotional offers or bonuses available for new purchases. To begin maximizing your rewards, use your American Express card for daily purchases. Consider using your card for larger expenses, such as travel bookings or dining out. Keep track of your spending to stay aware of how many points you are accumulating. Set alerts for when you reach certain thresholds for redeeming rewards. Access the redemption options available for your points. Compare different redemption choices to find the best value for your points. If you're interested in travel rewards, consider booking flights or hotels through American Express Travel. Take advantage of exclusive rewards offers available to American Express cardholders. Remember to review any annual fees associated with your card, as they may impact your net rewards. Consider joining the membership rewards program if it's available for your card. Regularly check for updates on your rewards balance and any new promotions. Utilize the American Express mobile app for convenient management of your rewards on the go. Engage in any additional programs offered, like referral bonuses or spending challenges. Make a habit of reviewing your rewards at the end of each month. By following these steps, you'll effectively manage and maximize your rewards with American Express. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.